1510, the first microscope was invented in Netherlands. In 1595, Dutch lens maker Zacharias Janssen invented first microscope, which is more powerful than earlier. In 1609, Galileo worked on how does all this invention of microscope which made much more better device. So the invention of the microscope helped the development of the cell theory because it allowed the scientists to actually discover that everything was made up of cells and what cells do to come up with that theory. If the scientists did not see that cells existed, they could not have observed the cells easily, and they would not be able to construct the cell theory.
Hello everyone, I'm Song-Sing. Now, will you wonder what is the most common microscope that are being used throughout the country? The answer is compound microscope, dissecting microscope, and confocal microscope. Now, will you wonder why electron microscope is not that widely used by us? This is the electron microscope. This is SEM, this is TEM. First of all, electron microscope is very expensive. You can see that it's it's actually more than 1 million and above for RM, and it's very difficult to set up the microscope and specimen. It also requires trained staff to operate the electron microscope. So it's not all that user friendly for all people. But in the contrast, compound microscope, dissecting microscope, and confocal microscope may not produce the best resolution and the magnification, but the price is relatively cheap and rather easy to use. In terms of practicality, people usually will use these 3 microscopes to observe the sample. Then, if it requires a better image, they will simply send to the microscope lab to do the observe with electron microscope. That is all from me. Thank you.